Hello guys, welcome to BreakFix, and today we're going to learn how to fix a non-working hard drive. So this hard drive does not detect in the PC. So when a hard drive doesn't detect in the PC, the problem is with the contact pins which are under this circuit board. So we are going to take this off and we're going to fix it. So for this you will require a screwdriver set and eraser just to fix the issue. So let's go ahead. So I'll go ahead and take off the screws from the circuit board. Okay, so here this is how you take off the circuit board, and as you can see this entire part is covered. Okay, so what we'll be working on is this part, these pins here. Okay, this is what gets bad. So for this what we have to do is, first thing is we take a screwdriver and very gently we just scrape these pins, as these pins catch a lot of carbon on them, moisture, which causes a bad contact between the pins and the hard drive. And then we use an eraser okay, so here we go. You can see the pins are now clean. So please be careful not to move this shield here. This is a shield on the board. Please be careful not to move that. And now we go ahead and fix this back into the hard drive. Okay, so this is how it fixes. Okay, so now that this is fixed, you can go ahead and connect this to your PC and the drive is going to work fine. So thanks for watching, and do like, share, subscribe. It helps the channel a lot.